And good morning to you from Busch Gardens Tampa. I was thinking it's going to be a hot one today. It already is. So we're looking forward to these rides, getting back on. Some of them, Kumbino is down extendedly, so we will be missing that today, but I already have the credit anyway. Either way, we're looking forward to a great day.
Keep your head back. This is amazing. Here we go. I have to keep my eyes closed at the fast parts. Dip your hand in. That one is fun.
Just got done with cheetah hunt. It was a good ride, some good forces, some good amounts of airtime.
It's radical.
Terrible operations. 2 hour wait. 2 hour wait. So, first ride of the day down. New Montu and the bad ops continue.
Stand behind the white line. The gates are now closing. Oh, brother, this guy stinks! Come on. Move it! Could you be any slower?
just got off of Montu, and it was just as good as I remember. The trims hit a little bit harder, mid-course at least. But I have to talk about this park because it took over an hour, because they're running one train. It took an hour to get on the ride. Why are you running one train on a B&M in the middle of summer? So yeah, just not good so far. And the last time I was here, this was just Gwazi right here. Okay, let's check out this beast. This currently sets about a 30-minute wait, so that means there'll be a station wait probably, which I've heard. The operations are absolutely horrendous at this park. Here we go. Yeah. I say I get it. I do get it. That was non-stop from drop to brake run. Contender definitely to beat Steel Vengeance. All right, so the operations here. So for some reason they feel the need to board the train, check the seat belts first on a whole pass, then tell you to put your lap bar down, which slows down the operation severely. When they could have had the train out like in Steel Vengeance where they're out in under a minute. So
180 seconds.
Yeah, it was like 200 to 250 seconds every time. So step it up, Iron Gwazi crew. And then Montu's on one train, Kumba's closed. They might as well have been on one train on Cheetah Hunt. We waited 2 hours for that.
They just weren't, they had a second loading station which wasn't open.
Yeah, so there was like an unload station behind that they're just not using. So yeah, I mean, you do you, I guess, but it's not enjoyable as a guest. So I think we're gonna call it there. Got my Coke Zero, and yeah, we're back here at the hotel. It was a sucky first part of the day at Busch Gardens at the park, but it ended up being a good day in general. Visited some family down here, but just overall, Iron Gwazi was really good. It was kind of everything we hoped for on the coaster. Cheetah Hunt was really good, and then Montu was obviously what I remembered it for being the mid-course, hit a little bit harder than I had remembered. But overall, the park was awful. It the operators at the rides just seemed like they didn't want to be there. I mean, obviously you saw I recorded that one on Montu. They're running one train on Montu, and they're just kind of, lackadaisically checking the train, sending it out every 5 minutes. It's like, come on now. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Yeah, anyway, I probably won't be returning to this park for a while. I did miss a couple credits. I missed Phoenix Rising. I edited that out. Tigress and Cobra's Curse we missed. all because of very poor operations. The apps claimed the waits were one thing, but then you got in line and it ended up being way longer. So again, I would have ridden Aranguazi a couple more times as well, but I was just kind of done with the park at that. Yeah, it's claimed 45 minutes, and it was just the station that was full, just a couple of the cattle pins in the station, and then the gates. And it was just like every 3 minutes they were sending a train out, it seemed like. So
Cheetah hunt for 2 hours.
Cheetah hunt took 2 hours to get on, and Montu claimed it was 45, then it ended up being an hour and a half or something like that. So yeah, just not a good experience at all compared to the other park here in Orlando, SeaWorld, which is owned by the same company. So I think they would go down there to Tampa and tell them to get their crap together. So hoping that happens, but either way, it was fun. Got to see some family, and we're capping the day off with some McDonald's. So good night, and we're starting to head back home tomorrow, but we got a special stop we're gonna make in Atlanta. So we were gonna stop at Six Flags Over Georgia, which is right there, and Fun Spot, which is 15 minutes away. But as you can tell, Mother Nature had other plans, and this isn't supposed to stop till like 8 o'clock.
It looks great though.
Yeah. As you can
Color
see,
scheme.
there's the park. But it's thunderstorming till about 8 o'clock tonight, so we're just gonna drive on through and come back some other time. So, peace.